Hello everyone, this is Sahar Ahmad and this is my third project for STEMpedia Teachers Training Program, and I have created a tic-tac-toe program using list functions, conditions and loops. So let's see how the program works. A tic-tac-toe board will be displayed on the screen with 9 empty spaces, and the numbers of those particular places will be displayed beside the board as well for the users to easily enter the place where they want to mark their turn. The user will be taking turns to enter a number where they want to mark, and whoever makes 3 consecutive places, whoever marks the 3 consecutive places, he will be the winner. The program will be checking for the horizontal consecutive marks, vertical consecutive marks, and diagonal consecutive mark places. And also it checks for the tie situation. So let's see the code. In the first place, I have created a list of board with a simple dashes. So it will display dashes on the screen. And I have created some of the variables to check for the loop, and whoever will be the winner and the current player will be. The function has been created to display the board on the screen. So it will be displaying dashes along with the places that the user has to follow to enter the position where they want to mark their particular place, right? Then we have the function of play game, in which we are first displaying the board, and then we are checking within the loop that whoever is the current player. Now here we have multiple functions. One is handle turn, then game over, then flip winner. Handle turn is going to show that whoever turn is there on the screen, and then it is going to ask for the position the user has to display. The user has to mark his place on, right? Game over is going to check that whoever is the when the game is going to over means the game is tie or anyone has won, so the game over function will be called. And flip player is going to play the change the player from x to 0 and 0 to x. We have a function of win here as well, in which we are going to check the value of row winner, column winner, diagonal winner. And let's move forward. Here what we are doing is we have created multiple functions. One is of row, one is of column, and one is of diagonal, in which we have uses the list indexes to check that whether that particular position has been taken by either X or 0, and it is still empty, to keep this game still going, variable either true or false to make the loop keep running, or whether we have to stop the loop. Then we have a function of tie, in which we are checking that whether all the places are occupied and no one has the consecutive 3 places together, so the program is going to tie. In flip player, as I have discussed earlier, that it is going to flip the player from x to 0 and 0 to x. Now this is the output of the program. The board has to be displayed on the screen along with the places that the user has to enter. It is still saying X's turn, and then it is asking choose a place from 1 to 9. I've selected 3, so you can see that on the third place the X has been marked. Similarly, when it is 0's turn, the 0's user has selected 5, so 0 has marked on the 5th place, and then the games goes on, and then at the end the X1. So this is it for my third assignment. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.